Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of polygenic scores with the basic level course organized by the Pan-African PGS Education and Research Initiative, PAPERI.
Hi, my name is David Bogumil. I'm a postdoctoral research fellow at the University of Southern California, Keck School of Medicine. And here I am a cancer epidemiologist, and I work primarily with admixed or diverse samples from Southern California and Hawaii, looking at polygenic risk scores in these populations. The data set I primarily work with is the multi ethnic cohort study, and a lot of what I do is polygenic risk modeling, and I specifically assess excess and absolute risk models to estimate the probability of disease in individuals based on their genetics and also lifestyle risk factors too. So, for the lecture series, I'm going to be going over lecture 3 and 4. I'm going to be leading these. For lecture 3, we're going to have an introduction to polygenic risk scores and basically just understanding how these are genetic measures of common genetic variation that can be used to estimate disease risk. And we're going to look at what these scores are, how they're built, how they're calculated, and then also how they are assessed to see if they're valuable or informative. And then in lecture 4, we are going to look at the applications of polygenic risk scores. So polygenic risk scores in disease prediction, in personalized medicine, and then also we're going to look into a case study or more generally kind of approaches or caveats to applying polygenic risk scores in African populations. And, with all this in mind, it's important just to realize how popular polygenic scores are becoming and how widespread their use is in the epidemiology and genetics literature. They are becoming a common measure of common genetic variation in the area of genetic epidemiology. And although, in terms of application, we're in the early stages of applying polygenic risk scores, there is a lot of method development and epidemiologic research that kind of shows we're moving closer and closer towards application of these scores for disease prevention strategies and possibly altered screening recommendations too.
Don't miss this chance to learn from experts like David. The future of genetics in Africa starts here.